Hi everybody, it's Natamias here again. And today I'm going to go through some of the top blockchain prediction market projects. And before jumping in, don't forget to comment yes if you want your free 15-page cryptocurrency and blockchain glossary. This goes through 15 pages of terms I use when building analyses services for my clients. So, blockchain prediction markets, what are they and what am I talking about? Well, let's say we have a future outcome. Let's say somebody says Bitcoin will be worth so that's a guess. And prediction markets is just a bunch of people. So we have a bunch of people who guess on this outcome. That's all it is. That's literally all it is. And there are three types of guesses and answers. So we have, binary. So yes or no, will this happen? We have scalar, like what number do you think it will be? And we have categorical. So we could have many different answers, kind of like a multiple choice question. So those are prediction markets, and what does it have to do with blockchain tech? Well, the blockchain community made a huge push to build more prediction markets because we already know a lot of them already exist in the realm of sports. But the blockchain market is really big on openness and transparency. And we've discussed how blockchain seeks to expand and build more open and transparent projects in our previous videos. Augur is probably one of the first, if not the first, project that addresses this with the blockchain. It allows anyone to create a future event and people can bet on the outcome of that event and winners get rewarded in a token. So how does Augur know that people may make the right guess? Well, they use something called oracles. So blockchain, you have everyone's guesses get logged on the blockchain and their money gets rewarded and spent in the blockchain. But blockchains can't get external data directly. Kind of like we can't use an application programming interface, or API for short. So it has to use something called an oracle. So this circle is an oracle to connect to an external data source. So an API provider, so it just provides information. And the API provider can connect and let it know, yeah, a future event did happen. And then people get their tokens. So everything's transparent, open source, no governments, etc. block it. We have a similar project called Gnosis. And Gnosis does something very similar. And main difference is just how it connects. Honestly, it's how it collects the data. We have another project called Syndicator. And Syndicator is more focused on how it collects data and how it uses artificial intelligence to turn this data into financial products. So for example, it will collect all the guessing data from people making a guess, and it will use artificial intelligence to systematically make a better way to get these guesses. And after that, it will make robots that can actually make trades automatically for people and charge investors a fee in their token, making the token naturally rise in value as more people hold the token to use their services. We have another project called Stocks with an X. And Stocks was made by the guys at investing.com, I believe. And Stocks is really big on combating decentralized prediction markets. So is this again for more transparency, etc. And another project is called Sentiments. And Sentiments is very big on kind of like Syndicator, building financial projects with the crowd intelligence, but with a smaller focus on prediction and more of a focus on analysis. Kind of like Bloomberg or like TradingView.com, but for cryptocurrency. And one reason why I believe you see a lot of these projects in the cryptocurrency space blowing up for prediction markets, it's also because it's a very new market, there's not that much data, and there's a lot of guesswork people are doing. And when you see a lot of people doing this guesswork, you can see some people who are really good in the space, they're good at poker, and then there's a lot of gambling, people who are familiar with gambling who are good at this market. So, and there's a lot of regulatory things that come into place when creating prediction markets because of gambling rules. As a result, that may be a big push as to why there are a lot of prediction markets in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. So that's just a quick look at some of the best blockchain prediction market projects. And if you want to learn more, just contact me. And I thank you so much for watching this video. I shall see you in the next one.